We are Anthony and me. We are converting our sitting room really into an off-grid camper van. You should join us on our journey and watch as we work on it over the next few months. We have absolutely no experience, so if we can convert a van, you can do it too. If you would like updates in between videos, follow us on Instagram. So we've just got the van back after a week of it being in the garage. It was in for warranty work, which hasn't been done as yet. So instead of it sitting in the garage, we thought we'd pick it up, have the van, look at where we were at the last time, decide what's next, do some measurements of like the roof, or like the solar panels, re-look at the shower situation and decide whether the shower tray we've got's like right for us. But yeah, we'll do that now and then see where we're at.
And obviously we've been juggling both vans, so this van has had warranty issues, back and forth with garages sending information to the warranty declining it, a little argument between the dealer and the warranty and the garage. So it sat in the garage for a week and we weren't able to do anything then. And then when it seemed to happen all at once because we got that van back, but then the MOT was needed on the motorhome, and then it needed a service, and then we had to get the aircon pipe fixed, which if you've watched our other videos, it split when us were in Spain when it was like 42 degrees. So because we're going to be selling the motorhome, we want everything ready for someone to just have it and drive away, which we would want if we were to purchase a motorhome like private. We've contacted dealers, they're not giving us the price we want, which is expected. So we've advertised it everywhere, I've got good pictures, it's now in storage. And then the first person that came to view it from West Yorkshire has put a deposit down because they want the motorhome. They're very happy with the condition, everything that we've said it's got and what we've just had fixed and done. So yeah, we're really happy with that. So that'll be getting picked up, and then that'll be another door closed, which will enable us to then focus 100% on this van. That's that side now complete as well, the same as this side. And now we've just got the bottom to do, the bottom of this and the bottom of there. Around the wheel arches I suppose was going to be a little bit tricky, but it doesn't really matter because once we're finished we're going to have like a few layers of this foil. So yeah, good progress babe, innit?
Yeah.
So at the minute we've hit a little roadblock. And what it is, have a look at this. So, because we ran the wires all through here, this bit's fine. So I can lift this up. If you picture a wheel arch box going to be here, and down to here, then what we've done here is obviously a mistake. So what we're going to do is, we're going to build a wheel arch box, and then we're going to see where it's going to sit. to know where these wires can end off being, because I've also realised that because we've taped it all the way to along to here, that it's obviously got a lot shorter, and that's not really much to play with. I'm going to do the reflectix from here to there, and we're just going to leave this side because we also want to do an electric cover point here, and we want to also install solar panels and stuff, but that's in the future. So we're just going to do from there to there as well, and then that's it for today. So see you next time.
Bye.
So this is what we've done so far today, and we definitely feel like we're making progress now. We've given the full van a quick hoover, every inch of it, because of splitting the earth wall and stuff. We've done these corners as well, because we're just going to put the original things back on with carpet over the top, or we might just be able to carpet over that as well. Not sure how the carpet works. I think you just glue it on, but yeah, really happy with it, are you?
Yeah.
And we've also put a little hole in here for the wires, which we need to foil tape over. As you can see, it's as small as it can get, so a bit of foil tape around there. Here's the first part of the framing. Hopefully we've got the right ones. We'll find out in a minute when we get back. Quick, it's starting to rain.
Come on.
The weather's well changed, it's freezing. Well, we'll find out now, and we'll take it back if we need. Thinking it's a little bit wider, and it's 15mm thick. So we're thinking of using all the rivnut holes and rivnutting it onto there. The bed one's going to be this one, so it's a lot bigger. So you've got a bit more height on it, and it's a bit thicker, so it obviously makes a stronger bed. But for here we'll do that, and then we'll have pieces coming down. Yeah, I think that's going to be solid, that. So let's have it and get back, some freezing. So our job today will be cutting out this wood for the framing for the bed on either side for a very strong support. We've just bought a circular saw from Wicks, only £44, but it's just so we can get the straight cuts. I remember when we done the ply flooring and we used the jigsaw the whole time, it was just annoying. So yeah, we're going to use this. We're just looking at the instructions and stuff now. We've got our goggles, got our earmuffs because I know it'll be loud. Yeah, so we're going to start cracking on with that.
I'm just putting holes in them, just so we know.
Alright, yeah, for more rivnuts.
You got the gun now.
So Umi's just been topping up these rivnuts. We've done as many as we can. Now this board needs to fit on there, but we also obviously need to drill pilot holes in this wood. So we're just figuring out the best way to make sure that we put the perfect hole, like we'll mark them and do the pilot holes perfectly. Meanwhile, I'm going to top up the foil tape on areas like this one. This is going to be plugged by a bolt, so that's fine. But this one we've missed. This one we've missed. We've got another hole here and here. And also, I realised the other day, under the window, we need a foil tape there as well. So I'm going to top that up. And Amy's just going around putting rivnuts in. So we're just drilling pilot holes in the bed support, which is going on the wall to make a floating bed. We've used the other one as a template and just marked holes. And how we did the other one was, we just lined this up with the rivnuts, had a look and put a little dot on each one, drew a straight line across, and then we measured how far up this wood we wanted it to be, which we wanted pretty much in the middle. So we drew a line all the way along the end and it made crosses, and then we drilled in the middle of that, and now we're just making pilot holes on this one from the other one. The pilot holes are M8 bolt size, and this is an 8mm drill bit. I'm having to record with the GoPro because the camera battery's memory's full and we need to catch up on a lot of videos anyway. So we've now finished off pretty much making the bed frame solid and everything fits perfectly. Take a look at this. We're very happy with it. So these beams you get from Ikea, and the extendable beams, as you can see the little join here, they extend right out. And you get these brackets for free from customer services. However, when we went, they only had 2, and they said to come back in a few weeks. So my dad got his mate at work to replicate the brackets and made us 6 of them. So we're happy with that. What we've done is we've used the rivnuts, and we've got these hex bolts, these M8 hex bolts. We've got washers behind. There was a little problem with this one, but it's still solid. We were going to try and take it back out, but I think the rivnuts just failed behind it, but it's still solid, so we've left it in. All the other ones solid. And I can actually sit on one beam. So yeah, Amy. So this is just one beam. And as you can see, my feet's off the floor. Yeah, but that's one, so obviously it's going to be really solid. We're going to now start framing out with rivnuts for like cupboards, places for the shower cubicle to fix to, and all along now which cupboards are going to be. We're going to do more here. We'll probably need to sort that wire out of the way. But yeah, this definitely feels like progress now.
So we've just measured and sorting it out now. 186 along the top beams for both sides. Then we need to measure out where the rivnuts are and then screw them into the wood. Right, so we've got it in place now. Now we're just going to put little markings
in the middle
where the rivnuts are.
Yep.
Yep, and then we'll just...
Then what we'll do is we'll draw a straight line.
All the way through.
And then find the middle of this wood, do a straight line all the way along, and it'll make an X. Well, we need to do the pilot holes for the M8 bolt. Yeah, let's get that done now. So as you can see now, this is the one that was marked out, and this is the one that we've just marked from the pilot holes on this one. So it just makes it a lot easier and quicker to get this job done. So we've put them all in hand tight now, just to make sure every rivnut lines up, which we're glad to see it does line up. I'm just going to go around with a drill and do it slowly. Yeah. I think you probably hang off that one as well. So far this is where we're at.
This is where we're going to leave today's video, so thank you all for watching. Please hit the like button to support our channel, and if you would like to see future videos, please hit subscribe and the notification bell.